We're in the car wash. Ooh, yay, started.
Kailangan patayin mo.
So satisfying. Satisfying. Let's look over here. That's so satisfying. It's covered now. Everywhere it's covered. Okay, let's wait for it. Wait for it to come here. See that? It's completely clear. And then it goes dirty with soap. It's covered. Nice. Does it go everywhere again?
Turn it off.
It goes with another layer, I think. Oh, these ones should find out. Oh, whoa, this one's cool. It covers completely instead of these.
Likot mo ng video, anak.
Does it go again?
Ganyan lang ha.
Compare this to that. Then it goes all over again. And it comes at the back.
You want to open the window?
Yeah, sure. Goes there. Let's open the window. I mean, we can open it now. You know? Okay. Let's stop. Is it the end?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it? There it is. Whoa! Look at it, look at it, look at it. Wait, it goes like
Ito yung gumaganon. Yung may parang rubber.
Oo.
And it goes over here. That is completely.
Trip lang.
See this? Starting from here to there. Woo!
Yes, napaliguan.
Sarap mag-trip.
Let's
ng
open
ganyan.
it.
Ano kaya mangyayari kapag nag-trip tayo niya? Katulad yan nung sa
Yes,
pinanood
day.
natin? Ano yun? Yes day?
Yes.
Yes.
Ayusin mo yung video mo. Yes day ka.
Wow, it's rainbow. Nice. We love rainbow. Look at the front. It looks like yummy food. Looks like
So,
cake.
kasama to sa video.
Ooh, ooh.
Yay!
Oh, wow.
Pwede pala yun.
Okay. Are you doing another one? No water. We're doing another water. Oh, yay. It's way over here. That's how dirty it is from now on. And that's way. Woo! There it goes again.
Murahan
Oh! There it is. Oh, it's a hair dryer. Oh my gosh.
Anong air?
No, a car dryer.
Air.
Air. That is lots of air. Oh my
Ito po
god.
kasing sasakyan namin to ay first time na car wash. Oo, simula nung binili dahil meron itong ano ito? May roof truck. Ay hindi pwede i-car wash pag may roof truck. So ngayon lang ito na car wash.
Yeah. And there goes the water. And there goes the water at the back. Just wait for it, wait for it. There it goes. it is still going. Cleaning, washing, polishing. We're doing polishing.
And that's it.
And that's it.
March.
That's already $18. Something like 600 pesos. 600 piso na agad yun. Saan tayo mahaluwi na?
Exit.
Go home. Going
Exit.
home.
Bye bye, car wash. Bye bye, car wash.
Ay, sinabi.
Okay, we got caught up there. Bye.